Have you ever noticed this tiny red and blue button on your faucet? This right here is more than just a hot and cold indicator.
Hey guys, welcome to the Rookie Handyman. My name is Irfan and today we're diving deep into the hidden genius of this little button and why this is an ultimate hack to fixing a loose faucet handle. This button is actually a cover for the screw that holds your faucet handle in place. Engineers designed it to serve two purposes: to let you know which side controls hot and cold water and to keep the internal screw protected from dirt and moisture. By hiding the screw, this button also helps to maintain a perfect look of your faucet. Just imagine seeing exposed screws on every faucet in your house. Not very appealing, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Over time, faucet handles can become loose due to everyday wear and tear. This tiny button gives you an easy solution. Just pop it off, find a small flat screwdriver or a small Allen key and tighten the screw underneath. But wait, before you pop it off, make sure to cover your sink drain with something or close it with this cap right here. This button is so easily lost in the drain and then you are left with very ugly looking hole in your faucet. Now engineers made this so simple that basically anyone can do it. Just a small Allen key is all you need, put it in this hole right here and make everything tight. You don't have to dismantle your faucet completely and also you don't have to call a plumber, which these days can cost you a real fortune. Basically, tightening just one screw restores your faucet functionality in seconds. And once you are done, just snap this little button. As you could see, it fell down, but it didn't went into the drain because I closed off my sink. Just snap this little button right back into this place and you are completely done. I hope you have learned something today, and if you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you for doing that. And if you want to see any more bathroom tips and tricks, make sure to check out these videos right here. And YouTube thinks that this video right here is the right video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.